One of the biggest labors of love in this entire house was all of the doors. So over the years and years of different homeowners, at one point in time, all of the interior doors were painted in a variety of awful colors. So the paint layers were layer upon layer upon layer of paint. And in this particular project, we decided that we wanted to see if we could get these doors back to the original character. So highlighting the wood grain and the natural character surrounded by beautiful, crisp, clean painted trim. Before we had even started construction on the project, we had actually come to the home and taken off every single interior door and taken them 3 at a time to a local shop that actually dipped all of the doors one side at a time to strip off all of the paint. So it's a liquid process that somehow eliminates the paint and gets it back to the natural finish of the door. So then from there, we turned it over to our painter and stainer, and then they sanded, finished, and rehung all of the doors with their existing hardware. What's amazing to me is the fact that they were able to get off all of that paint so that you could almost not tell at all that any of these doors were at one point in time painted. When you take 35 doors off of their hinges, it's very, very challenging to keep track of which one goes to which door and which opening. So thank goodness we've got a great production team that was able to maneuver and make all of these doors go back into their correct location.